What does the Nerva program include? It's a structured 6-week gut-brain therapy program that combines 3 clinically validated components: gut-directed hypnotherapy, cognitive behavioural therapy, informed coaching, and breathing techniques, each targeting a different part of gut-brain dysfunction. Gut-directed hypnotherapy works on the oversensitivity in your gut's nervous system, turning down the signals that drive most gut-brain disorder symptoms. CBT-informed coaching addresses the thought and behaviour patterns that reinforce gut-brain dysfunction. Things like worrying about symptoms before they happen, avoiding situations, and the hypervigilance that keeps your nervous system stuck in a heightened state. Breathing techniques support autonomic nervous system regulation and healthy gut function. These aren't just relaxation exercises. They're directly influencing the gut-brain connection's physiology. The program runs for 6 weeks, and that's not arbitrary. It's the same duration used in published clinical trials. We designed it around what the research actually shows works, not what just sounds good on paper. Nerva is delivered digitally, so you can do it on your own schedule. No waitlist, no waiting room. And while it lives on your phone, I want to be clear that this is a clinical program, not just an app. There's 3 evidence-based components working together, and that's the combination that gets results.